Make dinner for the whole family alert.
The pressure's on.
But I'm up for any challenge. I don't know what's about to happen. I gotta cook for Korean's whole family. I don't even know if... Y'all like a chicken medium rare?
Hi guys.
What's up? So we're gonna vlog a Thursday night. We're gonna have dinner. We're gonna try to start a campfire. I'm gonna show you my outdoorsman skills. I'm gonna ask Carinas' dad for permission to just film on his premises.
Dad? We're gonna ask him permission.
I want to know if I could put wood in the fire pit. Yeah. Look how good he looks. Say hi, he's a handsome man.
Dad's always working.
I was gonna open the door for you.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Do you have any more?
No.
Okay. Karina, you're taking forever. Look out the window. So we're gonna do fire.
Hold on, I have a question.
Yeah.
Why do you have a Lynn jersey on? You're not very New York at all. Because if you are from New York, you know that Lynn Sanity lasted a whole week.
This is a throwback. This is worth money. Fab doesn't even have this jersey. That's how official it is.
Because it's probably 99 cents.
Fab doesn't have this. Just nice. First step, you need a real man.
Oh, okay. Real man. Oh, look at you.
Get the guns, baby. Get the guns. So there's a right way to do this, and there's a wrong way to do this.
Oh, God.
A lot of people do this the wrong way by just throwing wood in there. Now, you gotta make a pyramid. Feel me? We got 2 more pieces.
You can never be too certain.
You have to get a big piece. What is... Okay, he got 3 twigs.
Second step. Oh, what'd you do with the cubes? You left them up there?
Wait, you're gonna put that and the liquid?
Yeah.
Did you do your research?
No.
Is it gonna cause the next...
Look, man, this is how we learn. You live and you learn. If it explodes, it explodes.
Okay, so if my whole entire house goes on fire, it just goes on fire. Oh God! Wait, can you read the directions?
Everybody dies, but not everybody lives.
That literally is the most scariest thing anybody. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
It's about to go down. You recording still? Good.
Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm scared. Oh, nice. I love, love, love bonfires. Thanks, babe. You want to bring the grill down so we can start doing chicken?
You mean we could cook it right here?
Boing.
And that, folks, is how you make a campfire. Oh, the waves is in, boy.
2018
the waves is
style, when you literally need to use everything. Cavemen did not do that. They did not use everything that you just used.
To be honest, I don't even think I needed the cubes. It would have been lit anyways. I think the
You need to go up because this double chin angle does not do well.
Well, you're blocking the whole fire. Yeah, the cubes are burning. That's crazy. I wonder what these are made out of. These cubes. Oh, she thought that was too easy for me. She wants me to cook some food alert.
Make dinner for the whole family alert.
The pressure's on. But I'm up for any challenge. Wow, a little pretty. Ah! Oh, ah!
We're gonna make roasted potatoes. This is like my dream. My brother and I used to always pretend we're on the food network. But they all go in olive oil. Crushed pepper.
Alright, so they want me to start this charcoal grill. I never did nothing like this before. I mean, I started the campfire, but I never, ever started a charcoal grill before. I'm about to learn today. Stay tuned. I'm gonna try.
No, he did it.
How that?
No, he didn't do that. Oh my god, why do you always everything so What did you do? He had to just turn the grill on and look what happens. Okay, well pick it up and you have to clean it. I'll mop later.
Okay.
Okay, well, get it done.
That's what happens when you leave a bag of charcoal out in the rain.
I'm gonna add regular mozzarella cheese to the same one I did Parmesan on. And whole wheat bread.
Sorry. Not my fault the bag was open. They left it in the rain.
Pray for me. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. They wanted me to cook some chicken. And I'm about to make a fool out of myself, so yeah.
Do not, you can't break this or anything. This is like serious.
I can't break it.
Oh god.
Okay, let's go.
Oh gosh.
We got the grill down here now. Dang it, the campfire went out. I'm trying to tell y'all, the wood was kind of moist.
Okay, so now I'm just cutting onions to do a quick turkey burger.
Yo, to be honest, I don't think that charcoal is lit. It's warm. It's not hot. Definitely not hot enough to cook some chicken. I don't know what's about to happen. I gotta cook for Korean's whole family. I don't even know if... Y'all like your chicken medium rare? We got action. We got action.
And then I'm gonna be really gentle with turkey. I'm gonna add salt and pepper and probably a little bit of crushed red pepper to get a little spice. We're probably gonna do, I'm gonna rinse these so we can do them on, ooh, I haven't even checked the potatoes. Holy moly.
Alright, well I just want to let y'all know that I had no problems. I knew exactly what I was doing. I did a good job, right? So now we're gonna put this chicken. It's already seasoned. We got it's called cilantro lime sprinkle.
Yum.
Ooh, Daddy gets the big piece.
Mom.
Yo, we supposed to spray this, Karina.
I know. You're the one doing it.
What? I'll be back.
Oh, okay, you can see us?
I gotta spray this, right?
With butter.
Yeah, that's the same thing.
Oh, Angelo.
Yeah?
You have cooking spray there too.
It's all good, baby. Everybody say a blessing. Please let it cook all the way through. Amen. Alright, we need napkins. I just want to lick my fingers.
Stop, you're gross.